Nokia 6 Teardown and Reassemble Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Nokia 6 smartphone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The 5.5-inch Nokia 6 display assembly is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With a playing card, slice through the adhesive and carefully decouple the Nokia 6 screen from the phone. The display assembly is still connected to the Nokia phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the falling Phillips screw, securing the bracket that covers the display cable. With the bracket out of the way, detach the cable from the motherboard and free the Nokia 6 display assembly. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Remove the falling Phillips screw and small bracket. Peel up the assembly that includes the capacitive home button with fingerprint scanner and the cables for the bottom buttons. Remove the falling 18 Phillips screws. The screws are different sizes, so be sure to keep them organized. Extricate the metal Nokia 6 midframe. The battery is adhered to the back of the metal frame. Locate the two peel to remove adhesive tabs on the side of the Nokia 6 battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the metal frame. And just like that, the 3.84 volt 3000 mAh Nokia 6 battery is free. Remove the metal bracket and detach the Nokia 6 power and volume buttons cable, 3.5mm headphone jack cable, and signal cable from the motherboard. Remove the falling 6 Phillips screws. Use a spudger to detach the connector on the underside of the motherboard, and then carefully lift it out of the rear case. Disconnect the 16-megapixel Nokia 6 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Remove the 8-megapixel Nokia 6 front-facing selfie camera. Use the tweezers to disconnect the signal cable. Remove the falling 4 Phillips screws. Pry up the Daughterboard. It includes the micro USB port and primary microphone. Extract the Nokia 6 loudspeaker. Remove the spring contact connected vibrator. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.